नमस्ते बच्चों, कैसे हो आप लोग? ऑल आर हैप्पी, स्टडिंग वेल, गुड. टुडे वी विल स्टार्ट आवर न्यू लेसन, लेसन 6. बादल का सफर. बादल का सफर. बादल मीन्स क्लाउड. बादल मीन्स क्लाउड. सफर. Suffer means travel. Suffer means travel. Travel of cloud. Okay? Travel of cloud. This is the story. Cloud, you know not all. With cloud what will happen? It will rain. But if little small cloud is there, it will not rain. When dark brown color lot of cloud will be there, there is no sun, then it will rain, right? So this story is a small cloud story. Okay, there is a small cloud, how he is raining, how he want to rain. In this lesson we will read. Before starting the lesson, what we are doing, we will go for one line Hindi speaking sentence we will learn, right? So today we will learn, तुम कहाँ जा रहे हो? तुम कहाँ जा रहे हो? तुम means you. कहाँ means where. कहाँ means where. जा रहे हो, going. तुम कहाँ जा रहे हो? Where are you going? Okay. As I told you, if a person same age or younger than you, you have to use word tum. You can use tum. But if someone is elder than you, unknown people, you have to give respect. And in respect, instead of tum, you have to say aap. What you have to say? Aap. So if some elder people, you want to ask question, where are you going? Instead of saying तुम कहाँ जा रहे हो, you have to ask, you should ask, आप कहाँ जा रहे हैं? आप कहाँ जा रहे हैं? Okay? This is the question. In Hindi, how you will reply? If someone is asking question, you have to reply also, right? You will reply wherever you are going. It's up to you what you want to say. You can say, मैं पढ़ने जा रहा हूँ, मैं बाजार जा रहा हूँ, मैं मंदिर जा रही हूँ, मैं स्कूल जा रही हूँ. Anywhere you can say, like you are going to temple, you are going to market, you are going to school, you are going to picnic. Okay, any place name you can say. So मैं स्कूल जा रही हूँ. If girl is there, you have to say रही हूँ. If boy is there, you have to say रहा हूँ. So तुम कहाँ जा रहे हो? Where are you going? मैं स्कूल और टेम्पल और पिकनिक जा रही हूँ और जा रहा हूँ. This will be the answer. So this is your one line Hindi speaking. Now we will start our lesson 6. बादल का सफर. बच्चों, क्या तुम्हें पता है मैं कौन हूँ? मैं हूँ नन्हा सा छोटा सा बादल. कौन हूँ मैं? नन्हा सा छोटा सा बादल. मुझे इंग्लिश में क्लाउड कहते हैं. अभी मैं पानी नहीं बरसा सकता. Okay. First we will see the different kind of cloud pictures. Can you see the screen? There is a small cloud. Okay. There is a small cloud. How it's look? Very beautiful. Just like a soft cotton. Okay. Just like a soft cotton. or like a cream or like a ice cream, or you can say like a soap fog. Okay, it is like that na. Or white color sugar candy, it's looking like this na. So beautiful. This cloud can't rain. This is a very small cloud. What about this cloud? Lot of cloud is there, and now you can see some big cloud is there and some small cloud is there, but still sky is blue and this cloud is little white. Means maybe in future it will rain, but right now it can't rain. Okay, because white cloud can't rain. For rain, clouds should be brown color, dark brown or black color. Okay, now see what you are saying about this cloud. Definitely this type of cloud is going to be a heavy rain. Okay, so now you understand what kind of cloud it will rain. Small cloud can't rain. Big cloud, when all cloud will join together and when it will be like a brown color or dark black color, means in that cloud now lot of water is there and they are ready to shower on us. And when it will rain, what will happen? We will be very happy, we will jump, we will play in water, and not we only. In nature everyone will be happy, birds will be happy, animals will be happy, and trees and everyone, because in rainwater lot of nutrition is there, that is good for plants. Okay, everywhere greenery will be there, all are happy to see the rain na? You all like rain? Good. So this type of cloud people enjoy. बादल का सफर. एक था नन्हा सुंदर बादल. There was a small beautiful cloud. सफेद रुई सा कोमल और मुलायम. A white color soft like a cotton. एक दिन उसने काले काले पानी से भरे बादलों को बरसते देखा. One day that small cloud saw a black color full of water. Cloud was showering. Cloud was raining. बरसते पानी को देखकर लोग धरती पर नाच रहे थे. When it was raining, people were dancing on the earth. पेड़ पौधे लहरा रहे थे. Plants and trees were just bending here there, dancing. नन्हा बादल बहुत खुश हुआ. उसका मन भी छम छम बरसने को करने लगा. Small cloud become very happy and he also want to shower the rain, shower the water. नन्हा बादल उड़ता हुआ बड़े बादल के पास जाता है. And small cloud is going to big cloud. Now he is asking to big cloud, मेघराज, मैं अपने अंदर खूब सारा पानी भरना चाहता हूँ. क्या आप मुझे पानी देंगे? Small cloud is asking Meghraj. To cloud you can say Meghraj also. Meghraj is the synonym of Badal. So small cloud is saying, I want to keep lot of water inside me. Will you give me little water? बड़ा बादल उसे बताता है. Big cloud is saying, तुम्हें झरने, तालाब या नदी के से पानी लेना चाहिए. वे ही पानी देते हैं. So big cloud told, if you want to fill yourself with water, you should go to waterfall, pond or near to river. They are giving the water. नन्हा बादल झरने के पास जाता है. झरने भैया, क्या आप मुझे पानी से भर सकते हैं? See, Waterfall is there na blue color in the picture. Small cloud is going to waterfall and he is saying, waterfall Anna, brother, can you fill me with the water? Waterfall is saying, हाँ क्यों नहीं, yes why not. मेरे पास कितना पानी है वह तुम देख रहे हो, मेरे साथ चलो मैं तुम्हें खूब सारा पानी दिलवाता हूँ. Okay, so that waterfall is saying, yes why I will not give you, see how much water I am having, come with me, I will give you lot of water. बादल झरने के साथ जाता है, झरना आगे जाकर नदी में गिरता है. ओके, दैट waterfall going and he is mixing in river. अरे झरने भैया तुम कहाँ हो? Small cloud is asking, oh waterfall Anna, where are you? He is saying, मैं नदी के अंदर हूँ, तुम्हें जितना पानी चाहिए ले लो. Okay, so waterfall is saying, I am inside the river, I am mixing in the river, how much water you want, you take it. Okay, now बादल ने खुशी खुशी पानी भर लिया, उसका आकार देख नदी ने कहा. And with the river he has taken lot of water, and to see the small cloud so big, river told, देखो तो नन्हा बादल कितना बड़ा हो गया है. So river is saying, look at that small cloud, how big he become. अब नन्हा बादल समझ गया था कि कैसे कहाँ से पानी भरा जाता है. Now that small cloud has understand from where and how much water he can collect. वह तब से नदी से, झील से, तालाबों से पानी लेता और सूखी धरती पर छम छम बरसाता. And whenever he want, he will take some water from river, lake, pond, and wherever dry earth is there, wherever dry land is there, he will go and he will shower the rain. नन्हा बादल कमर कसकर निकल पड़ा. ओके, स्मॉल बादल, नाउ ही इज रेडी टू शावर. ओके, वह फूला न समाया, उसने नदी से खूब पानी भरा और धरती पर छम छम बरसाता हुआ उड़ने लगा. उसकी मीठी फुहार पशु पक्षी, पेड़ पौधे, खेत खलिहान, नर नारी सभी को प्रसन्न करने लगे. So now what happened? After taking too much water, that small cloud, he has gone where lot of people is living, and he is, what he is doing, he is showering the rain. All people become very happy. Trees, plants, they become happy, animals become happy because it was so hot. Land was dry. To get the water, what happened? All men, children, they become happy, and everywhere greenery was. Okay, बादल अब तुम भर गए हो, जहां बरसना चाहते हो बरसो. रिवर इज सेइंग, ओके, नाउ यू आर फुल, यू कैन गो एंड वेर एवर यू वांट टू शावर. हमें, व्हाट इज द मॉरल ऑफ द स्टोरी? हमें यथासंभव प्रयास करके दूसरों की हित में काम करना चाहिए. धरती के जनजीवन का उपकार करना चाहिए. सो व्हाट इज द मॉरल ऑफ द स्टोरी? Always we should try to help others. Okay, always we should try to help others. Okay, धरती के जनजीवन का, doesn't matter human, जीवन का उपकार करना चाहिए. So what is the moral of the story? Always we should try to help others. Okay, always we should try to help others. Okay, धरती के जनजीवन का, doesn't matter human are there or animals are there or bird is there, wherever you want, you do good work. Always try to be helpful for others. We must do our bit to give happiness to everyone. Always we should try to give happiness to others. This was the small and beautiful story. Next we will go for word meaning. Baraste. Baraste means raining. Baraste means raining. 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 Udta. Udta means flying. 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 Meghraj. King of clouds. Meghraj means king of clouds. Bhaiya, used for addressing a person. Bhaiya means anyone you will say na Anna. Okay, any outside people or your instead of your brother, other people also we will say na Anna, our brother. That is Bhaiya. Rui. Rui means cotton. 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 Cotton means Rui. Jharne. Jharne means waterfalls. Jharne means waterfalls. 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 Jharna. Talab. Talab means pond. 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 Pond means talab. Jheel. Jheel means lake. 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 Lake means jheel. Kaha. Kaha means where. 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 Akar. Akar means shape. Form. SHAPE. Shape. Akar like round, triangle, rectangle, square. All are akar. Dilwana. Make someone give something. Dilwana means saying something to give to her or give to him. Nadi. Nadi means river. Okay. Nadi means river. So this is your word meaning. Next we will go for Vilom Shabd. Vilom Shabd means antonym. Vilom Shabd. In English we will say antonyms. Komal. Komal means soft. Opposite will be, Vilom Shabd will be Kathor. Kathor means hard. Komal, Kathor. Sukhi. Second one, Sukhi. Sukhi means dry. Sukhi means dry. Gili. Gili means wet. Gili means wet. Like anything is dry, if you will put water, what will be? It will be wet. Andar, inside. Bahar, outside. Andar, bahar. Dharti, earth. Akash, sky. Kala, black. Safed, white. So kala, safed. Bada, big. Chota, small. One more round we'll read. Komal, kathor. Sukhi, gili. Andar, bahar. Dharti, akash. Kala, safed. Bada, chota. This is your antonym. Now, we will go for synonyms. Synonym means same word meaning. Okay, different word will be there, but meaning will be same. Nanha, small. Nanha means small. Synonym is chota, laghu. Pani, water. What will be the synonym? Jal, neer. Okay, jal, neer. Both are the synonym of pani. Third one, badal. Badal means cloud. Synonym will be megh, jalad. Okay, megh, jalad. Fourth one, khush. Khush means happy. Synonym will be prasann, anandit. Fifth one, nadi. Nadi means river. Nadi means river. What will be the synonym? Sarita, दरिया. Sagar. Sagar means sea. Sagar means sea. What will be the synonym? Samudra. Udadhi. Next one, dharti. Dharti means earth. Synonym will be bhumi. Jameen. Last one, akash. Akash means sky. Akash means sky. Synonym will be nabh. Gagan. Next, third one, yugma roop. Yugma roop means pair. Pairs, okay. Some words in Hindi we will say in a pair, okay. Actually that is a opposite word, but we will say in a pair, like dukh, sukh. Dukh, sukh. Both word is opposite. Dukh means sad, sukh means happiness. But sometime when we will say a sentence, both word we will use together. Dukh, sukh. Mata, pita. Nar, nari. Khet, khalihan. Mata pita means parents, mother, father. Nar, nari. Nar means man. Nari means woman. Khet, khalihan. Khet means agriculture field. And khalihan means after cutting the crop, one place we are keeping to take it out the grain. That is known as a khalihan. Ped, paudhe. Ped means tree. Paudhe means plant. भाई बहन, brother sister, दिन रात, day night, घर बाहर. घर means house, bahar means outside the house if you are going anywhere other place, okay. So this is yugma roop. Actually that is opposite word, but when we are talking we will use this both word together in a sentence. Now we will go for grammar part. Noun. What is noun? Noun in Hindi we will say sangya. What we will say? Sangya. What is the definition of noun? जो शब्द किसी व्यक्ति, वस्तु, स्थान या भाव के नाम के लिए प्रयोग किया जाता है उसे संज्ञा कहा जाता है. So which word we use? A noun is a word that names a person, place and quality. It is also called a naming word. For example, boy, book, elephant, house, road, etc. Okay. So this is your noun. Naming word. And for understanding you can say. नीचे दिए गए वाक्यों में संज्ञा चुनिए और उस पर गोला लगाइए. Down some word is there. In this you have to select what is noun. एक था बादल रुई सा कोमल और मुलायम. Okay. So what is noun? Someone name is there. Okay. Some person name can be or some things name will be. So here Badal is a name. Badal is a name. That is a cloud. Rui. Rui is a thing. Okay. Cotton. Cotton is a thing. So this both Badal and Rui is the noun. Meghraj. Second one. Kha. Meghraj. क्या आप मुझे पानी देंगे? So Meghraj is the name. Who is Meghraj? King of cloud. So it's someone name na? It's become noun. So here Meghraj is the noun. तुम्हें झरने, तालाब, झील या नदी से पानी लेना चाहिए. This all things are झरना, waterfall. Name is there. तालाब, pond. झील, lake. नदी, river. All are noun. Number 4. उसकी मीठी फुहार. पशु, पक्षी, पेड़ पौधे, खेत खलिहान, नर नारी सभी को प्रसन्न करने लगी. So पशु पक्षी, पशु एनिमल, पक्षी बर्ड, पेड़ पौधे ट्री एंड प्लांट्स, खेत खलिहान एग्रीकल्चर लैंड एंड एग्रीकल्चर फील्ड, नर नारी This all are indicating some particular thing. Okay, this is a particular thing, so it will come in a noun. Okay, there are three type of noun. How many types of noun? There are three types of noun. संज्ञा, संज्ञा के तीन भेद, संज्ञा तीन प्रकार की होती है. व्यक्तिवाचक संज्ञा, फर्स्ट वन इज व्यक्तिवाचक संज्ञा, सेकेंड वन जातिवाचक संज्ञा, थर्ड वन भाववाचक संज्ञा. व्यक्तिवाचक संज्ञा मीन्स प्रॉपर नाउन, जातिवाचक संज्ञा कॉमन नाउन, भाववाचक संज्ञा abstract noun. Okay, व्यक्तिवाचक संज्ञा means proper noun means particular someone name will be there, like your Ram, Shyam, Rita, Geeta. जातिवाचक संज्ञा means some group name will be there. Okay, that is group name like a people. Okay, nar nari, like it is there na, and lot of which is saying a group. Okay, student, children, this all are जातिवाचक संज्ञा. भाववाचक संज्ञा means showing the feelings like laughing, crying, okay, smelling. This all feelings also comes in a noun. So there are three types of noun. Okay children, so today we have finished our lesson 6. We have read the lesson. I translate you in English. We have read word meaning, antonym, synonym, and Shabd Yugma means pair word, and we have read the grammar, noun and type of noun, how to identify the noun. Okay children, so see the video proper, write your given assignment proper, don't do spelling mistake. Thank you children, have a good day.